Understanding the importance of watertight bulkheads is essential because they are the primary defense against a ship sinking. Their role goes beyond just being walls. They are active safety features that manage the physics of damaged vessel. Here's why they are considered the most critical structural elements in ship safety. Number one, prevention of progressive flooding. The most basic purpose of a bulkhead is containment. Without this division, a single hole in the hull because would allow the water to flow freely throughout the entire length of the ship. Bulkheads trap the water in one section, ensuring the rest of the ship remains dry and buoyant. Number two, maintaining reserve buoyancy. Every ship has reserve buoyancy, which is the volume of enclosed spaces above the waterline. When a compartment floods, the ship sinks deeper into the water. The goal watertight bulkhead ensure that even if one or two compartments are completely full of water, the remaining dry compartments provide enough upward force to keep the ship from submerging past the margin line. Number three, preservation of transverse stability. When water enters a ship, it creates a free surface effect where water slashes from side to side as the ship rolls. This can quickly cause a ship to upsize by dividing the ship into smaller watertight sections. Bulkheads limit the amount of water that can move, which helps keep the ship upright and prevents it rolling over the under the weight of the flood water. Number four, structural rigidity and strength. While their primary job is keep water out, bulkheads also serve as massive internal bones. Transverse strength. They act as deep girders that prevent the ship's sides from punting, moving in and out due to wave pressure. Vertical support. They support the weight of the decks and cargo above them, distributing the load down the keel. Protection of allow because friction of the critical pieces bulkheads allow a capsize to prioritize what stays dry. For example, the engine room, isolated by watertight bulkheads so the ship can maintain power and steering even if a cargo hold is flooded. The bow collision bulkheads, especially reinforced because the front of the ship is the most likely place to hit an object or another vessel. Number six, compliance and safe return to port. Under modern SALAS regulations, bulkheads are part of the safe return to port concept. This means the ship is designed so that even after a major casualty like a fire or flooding, the bulkheads will hold long enough for the ship to reach the safe harbor, protecting the lives of everyone on the board.